Beautiful.
This is nice.
Nice, very nice. My God. Oh, look.
The mountain up there.
Oh, the mountain. Oh my God. We can
Careful
take
going down.
Oh,
Look at this. Really
Yeah.
nice. Very pretty, honey.
pretty. Look, so nice. My goodness. We need to take
the
we need
the
a-
heart. Gotta get the heart.
the heart. My God, so look beautiful.
This is nice, huh?
So beautiful.
Thank you. Right.
Mamaya na lang pag ano. Salamat. Oh, look.
She just ate maybe a little bit.
Oh, gayo. So beautiful. Love. The hearts. We need to another here. We need to
Here?
go here.
Go here.
Oh my God.
Oh, look, they got things you can lay down, take a rest.
Maybe we need to go, take the picture there at the ano.
With the heart.
Yes, for the hearts. No, not there.
Over there.
Yeah. Wait. Maybe we need to ask for the pictures. My kulay.
Nice breeze up here.
Yes. Beautiful. Oh my God.
Look at that here. Be careful.
Oh my God. Just here. Just sit here. There.
There or here?
Oh, here. Here. I need to take the picture. Okay.
Video. Pictures, videos.
Yes.
Look at that mountain.
Beautiful man.
I wonder when it gets dark if it looks red up there. Probably.
When you came back here, we need to enjoy every moment.
Right. Got days where.
Yeah.
Oh. Where's my boobs?
Wow.
Wow.
I behave.
Behave. Watch your fingers.
Oh my God, so beautiful.